How's it going, guys? This is Harrison with Watch Hill Outfitters. We just got to the stream. We're doing a little bit of winter fishing today. Big L to start the day. I just hiked about 20 minutes into the spot and came upon quite a substantial pod of rising rainbows, and I ain't got no dries. So either we're gonna try and get them to take a nymph, or we're gonna make the hike back to the car to get some dries. Winter fishing, you never know what you're gonna get yourself into. So as you can see, I am walking back to the car to go and get some dry flies, which I forgot. Alrighty, so after hiking back from the car with the dry flies, we were able to get this little guy to eat. Not a bad looking little bow. It sucks, but even in the winter, always try and take your gloves off when you're handling the fish. You don't protect their coating of slime that keeps them healthy. It does suck though. That's gotta be one cold frog. Alrighty, so hatch kind of died on us, so we switched over to nymphing, and we are rewarded with a nice little wild brownie. Just a beauty. Not a lot of spots on this guy, but they are amazing. So, it is always tough to tell if it's a wild trout or not. So, I'm gonna leave it up to you guys, but for me, this is an absolute stud wild brown from this section. They don't get really a ton bigger than that. And I mean, he's fully finned. He's got everything looking real sexy. So, I don't know. Nice little wild brownie. Ate the Frenchie. Alrighty, pretty solid day out here all together. Winter fishing is always a mixed bag. You never know what you're gonna get, but we did get some on the dries. We got some on the nymphs indicator fishing. We got the almost grand slam. We got a rainbow, a brookie, and a brown. If you guys liked what you saw today, go ahead and subscribe and click like, smash it if you'd like. I think that's what the YouTubers say. Also, if you guys are interested in Watch Hill Outfitters gear, like the hat that I'm wearing, please check us out on Instagram or come to the shop in Westerly, Rhode Island. I think that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, guys.